Welcome to the CES. I'm one of the brand ambassadors from the dreametech company, and what we're featuring here is the smart cleaning products, especially the vacuums. So we would like to tell you today a little bit more about our featured products within the robot vacuum section. So the most interesting, the most popular items here are these two models. So this in particular model, it's the Z10 Pro Robot and Vacuum and Mop. So what it does, it has a self-cleaning dustbin which turns into the little bag right here, so it can store up to 65 days of the trash and dust. And if you flip it over, you will see that the mop portion, you would have to fill it with the water and clean it manually yourself, but the good part about it is that you don't have to worry about the trash and dust. Also, the next one, which everybody loves it, actually a lot of people already purchased it, it's the Bot W10. It's a self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop, so it actually has a self-cleaning and drying option for the mop. If you flip it over, you can see that these two things, you do not have to remove them. The station is going to do it for you. So we have two tanks. One is with the fresh water, the other one is with the water, the waste water. So if you look inside, that's exactly, that's exactly where is it going to be cleaned and dried. Why drying is very important, so it doesn't have mold after it's cleaning and once it's storing. In this particular device, you would have to clean do the manual cleaning of the dustbin right here. So you can remove it just by simply removing it like this. So what we're gonna do in this coming year, it's a great news, we're gonna have these two devices go into one. So it's gonna be completely self-cleaning device, which is amazing. You just push the button, or you can use the Alexa. It's Alexa compatible as well. Actually, all of our vacuums, they have the LiDAR navigation system. So the laser shoots out up to 8 meters. So if you left any slippers or anything on the floor while it's cleaning, it's just gonna go around it. It's gonna predict the floor map and stuff. So you can save up to 3 floor maps on the app as well. So this is it with the robot vacuums, and we're gonna move on. So these ones are absolutely my favorite ones. So those are the cordless stick vacuums. So we're featuring actually these couple of models at the show, because we do have a basic models, of course, as well. But these particular two models, they have a smart adaptive modes. So what it does, we're actually gonna demonstrate for you, and you can hear it as well. So let's start on the hardwood floor first. And once you're transferring to the carpet, the suction power is gonna adapt to the different surface. So you don't have to keep switching the modes between on the screen. So it just does it for you. As well, all our models, they do have the V-shaped brush, which is amazing because it's helping to cleanse to get rid of the hairs out of the brush without you actually doing it and touching it. All of our models, they have at least 3 modes. It's usually the eco mode, auto mode, medium and turbo. So depending on the models and on the batteries, so we do have the strengths of the batteries. This one in particular, it's 60 minutes, 70 minutes. This is one of the basic models as well. This one goes for 70 minutes. This is also with the smart adaptive mode. You can see that we offer a variety of additions to the package. And the highest one, it's a 90 minutes battery on the full charge. So the price-wise, they vary between $289 to $499, depending on what you're looking for. So this one, it's wet and dry vacuums. So we're gonna demonstrate it a little bit for you here. So they do work with the hardwood floors, tiles, vinyls, laminate. And let's just do a little spiel for you right here. So once you get on an auto mode, it actually automatically detects. Once we went through this section, you probably can see that there is no residue, no of the Pepsi left on it. So how it works, this brush has a little flap on the top right here. So all of that liquid, it gets to the waste tank right away. The best about it too, once you set it on the deck, on the charging deck, it has a self-cleaning mode. So it cleans the brush, and you were gonna see that because there is a little water in this little tank right here. That's how it's getting cleaned, and the water after it's done is gonna get suctioned to this tank as well. So it has an auto mode as well, which is amazing. So it automatically detects wet or dry mess. So even if it's cereal, it's not gonna mix the cereal with the water while it's cleaning. Or if it's a mayo or ketchup, the same thing, it's gonna help clean it up with the water. We have two models in this section. One is H11 Max, which is $4.99 retail. And also we have H11, which is $3.99 retail. The difference between these two models is that on the full charge, the Max model is gonna clean about 2,200 square feet homes, and this one is gonna be about 1,700 square feet. All right, thank you very much guys for your time. Join us, come and visit our store on Amazon and go to our website, dreametech.com.